That is a nice piece, dude.
Wow, that's nice, dude. Nice.
Finally found a meteorite.
The road is alive with crickets. As far as you can see down Jungo Road. Crickets everywhere. Or locusts, I mean. Just locusts galore. Snap, crackle, pump on the tires. Alright, this is Dave and Eric over here. We're at Jungo Dry Lake Bed today. It's a nice day out, and Eric came across a nice piece today. Let's check it out. Where'd you find it at, Eric? Just
right over there in a big group of rocks. You can see it's got a pretty fresh fusion crust, and then the bottom side of it and the edges are broken off.
wow, that's nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, it looks like it chunked off right there. Wow. And you think you got another piece over here somewhere, huh?
Yeah, I think I found a little one right here. I'm not sure yet. It's covered in dirt.
Let's check it out. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, nice. Straight to the magnet. Let's check this out, puppy. Yeah, I don't know about that one.
Yeah, me neither.
It's nice and sticky, but yeah, it doesn't look nothing like the other one.
All right.
Sweet, but yeah, congrats, man. The hunt's on. Hopefully we'll find some nice big ones out here. We'll let you guys know. Alright, this is Dave and Richard. We're out here at Jungo Dry Lake Bed. The sunset's just setting down over the mountain over there. It's getting dark, so we're out here scrambling around, and Richard finds a really good piece. Richard, how did you find it? I mean, did you just show up here, or what? How tell us the story.
I was actually, because of the sunset, following the areas that were still lit up by the sun that's now going down behind the mountain. And I just followed it and took this path, and as I came up to it, I looked at it, stopped and looked down, got a little close to it, and noticed that it fit the perfect profile of being what I think is a meteorite.
Yeah, let's take a look at it before the sun sets here. Let's take a good zoom in on that. Wow, that is a nice piece, dude. That is a nice piece.
You want to pass the magnet through it?
Yeah, it's in situ, so let's do a magnet test on that thing. Come on. Oh, it's right in that mud, or that dry lake bed. Come on. It was pretty sticky. They're L's too.
Yeah.
Some of them, so, but it's nice and sticky. So it's.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that beauty. That is nice, dude.
It is heavy.
Wow, look at that.
Look at the fusion.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that is sweet.
Richard, how's that go? You got all the coins.
I don't know what it weighs. I actually came out here without any bag or water or anything at the end of the day here. But certainly looks like regmaglyphs there. And the red brown spot on the fusion crust, maybe from metal. And looks like contraction cracks in it. So we'll see.
This is Dave on Jungo, searching this dry lake bed, all these little tiny pebbles, you know, and trying to just skirt along and see if I could see any little remnants of whatever's left. I think I found one. It looks pretty good.
Just a little tiny guy though, probably 1-2 grammer piece, and you could see it right there. It's a little tiny. Let's give her a magnet test here. Nice. Nice little piece. Well, it's about the last day we're out here on Jungo, so we're gonna keep searching. Hopefully everybody's made fine so far and there's no skunks. This is Dave out.
All right, you guys, look what we got going. Say hi to everybody.
David is pajamas trying to film us all.
Yeah, we got a nice campfire going. We got Jim and Eric over there just relaxing, kicking back, and enjoying this nice sunset out here. It's just beautiful. The weather's perfect right now. Let's go see what Richard's doing. We'll go walk over here and see what trouble he's into. Yeah, and congrats to Jim. He just found a nice meteorite. Hey, what's going on over here, buddy?
Hey, I'm trying to find the lights. What is this? Candy camera?
Okay, good. Oh, look, check out this nice fridge. This thing is awesome. 34 degrees. You can't beat that camping. Put your beers in there. Oh, man.
Speaking of beer.
We're living life. Oh, let's check this out. Oh, man. Eggs for breakfast. Hamburger dinner. Jeez. No, this is glamping. It's not camping, it's glamping.
Have a beer. Chill, cold beer.
Oh, thank you very much.
Have one for your buddy Eric.
Oh, let's get one for Eric. All right. Thank you, sir. Out.
Welcome, sir. Thanks
Out.
for coming.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.